Hi there, how are you doing? Great, thanks. I'm also fine. Langsmith Suite allows since recently to add pricing for custom models. Up until now, it was like that when you ran an OpenAI model, you would see how much the token cost that you used during a run, during a trace in Langsmith. This wasn't possible with other model providers, such as Anthropic, Mistral, etc. But now you can add the pricing for such a model manually, and that way you will see how much your traces actually cost in any model, which is awesome. I show you how to do it. It's very simple. I just created a simple chain with GPT-4 and Mistral Medium. These are the two Langsmith playgrounds. Here is GPT-4. I write, "Hi, who are the strange staffs in the room?" And it will tell me, yes, those are your .NET developers. Great answer. I like it. And now we do the same with Mistral. We ask, "Hi, who doesn't like chicken?" It's a good question. Very nice. Makes a pun against .NET developers. Awesome. Those two traces were traced now in my pricing showcase. And you can see here, GPT-4 endpoint, it shows us the cost for the trace, which is roughly half a cent. For Mistral, we don't have any cost, which is of course sad if you want to use a Mistral model. So now what you have to do is you go to settings here, then you click on models, and then you add a new model. I already added all of the Mistral models. I just deleted the one I used. And let me just copy this one here. Here you call it, like, I don't know, Mistral Medium. This is the model name. And then in the regex, I will just change it to here, that we can also add anything in the end, something like Mistral Latest, Mistral Medium. Here in my chain, I use Mistral Medium, but I think I could also use Mistral Latest, or some of them have Latest or similar stuff. So yeah, if it has Mistral Medium in the trace, it will match it. And here you can say what has to match. I will just leave everything. Now the activation date, we will just leave it empty because we use the date as of now. And now how do you know the prompt cost? You go over to the pricing page of your model, for example here Mistral Medium, and it costs $2.7 per million tokens. And what you have to do here is you have to put it in the cost for a single token. So what you have to do is you take 2.7 divided by 1 million. So this one is the cost. We put it here, which is the input cost, right? So how much does it cost to process the prompt, which is called here prompt cost. And then the output or the completion cost for Mistral Medium 8.1. And we do the same, we divide it through 1 million. And then we have here this output cost per token. Now we click create. With dot, you have to use a dot. And now we have here the new model, Mistral Medium, which costs this much. And now if we run it again, here, another run, thanks mate, and it says you're welcome. Then we can check here in the new trace, here Mistral, we have the cost, yeah! So here we have, 10 times less than this trace, but great, we have the cost here and we know how much our traces cost. This is awesome, you should use it. Head over to settings, add new model, divide it by 1 million, and you're gone. You're done. You're good. That's the win. Hope that helps you. See you.